Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Claudia Walks Around. If you are new here, my name is Claudia and welcome to this YouTube channel. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe. Take me to 10,000 subscribers. And guys, today I'm coming live from this beautiful environment. Actually, I'm in the village, and today I have one of my amazing we are just excited actually. So today I'm with Vivian. I know for those who have been following me, you know Vivian. We have been doing content together, and guys, Vivian said hi.
Hello guys.
Today I'm taking you around, eh?
Yes. Wow, this is an amazing place.
Yeah, so welcome. So we have a tank of water. These are sugar cane, and let me take you around. We have kolalu. This is called kolalu for those who are watching me from Jamaica. You know Jamaicans love this thing, eh? We have some purples around. These are water pipes. Oh, we have some onions around.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, and there's so many purple.
Purple. You want to take some, eh?
Yeah, I have to carry some. Take some up.
So guys, this is life of a farmer. So I'm coming live from a new county. This is
Called Makueni County.
Makueni County,
Yes,
and guys,
Kibwezi is.
so I'm just excited to be here, and I will be taking you around. So I'll be having a lot of activities taking place at the same time. So, yeah. Oh
Wow. You know these are called pigeon peas.
yes, they are called pigeon peas, eh?
Yeah. They are very sweet by the very sweet.
So guys, as I told you from the word go, if you have been following me, a lot of things I normally get them from my farm. Vivian, you can testify that.
I can attest to that. She gets them from the farm. She's a great farmer.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm proud of you, Claudia. Like, you're doing a great job with this farm.
Thank you. So remember, we're in a village and we want just to take you around. So let's go inside. Let me take you around. We can use this route, eh? Oh guys, we are inside.
Life of a farmer.
Life of a farmer. These are whole pigeon peas actually.
And
I think
the purple are big.
actually I've not yeah, they are so big actually. I was in the other video I was telling them that I want to change this type of purple, like,
Okay.
oh sorry guys, this is another farm. So I want to like plant more purples of this type of purple.
Oh,
This one, I think they are called dwarf.
they are dwarf.
They
The
are
ones
dwarf.
which are thick and they are
Yes.
thick and sweet. Ah, that's
Yes.
nice.
So let's go around.
Wow.
Also,
And I just love how the pigeon peas are like.
they are so many, and let me
Yeah.
tell you one thing, they are so expensive. They are very expensive. Once I go to the other side, I'll just show you how they look like, how we normally prepare them to take them to the market. But remember, this is a new farm behind the scenes now.
Okay.
Behind the scenes now, but around me I have my brother, and I'm not going to bring him here because of the privacy and all other things, you know. Sometimes we respect that.
Okay.
So let's go. This is called Zambara. What do you call Zambara?
Zambara. I really don't know the name of the English name of Zabarau.
but you can Google.
But the fruits are dark. Is it
Yes,
dark or purple?
They are purple.
Okay.
Also, we have some
what do sweet potatoes.
Yes, sweet potatoes around. So guys, once you visit Claudia,
hey, you are full. Your stomach is full. Your stomach is full. You'll go back with loads of fruits,
yes,
vegetables.
yes,
Wow.
everything in one. So come, Vivian. Vivian is the one who is behind the camera.
Today I'm behind the camera.
So make sure you subscribe to Vivian. Also, if you're watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe. Take me to 10,000 subscribers.
Sure.
Actually, come follow me.
Yeah. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers.
Yes, we have another pawpaw.
This is pawpaw.
Yes, they are flowering actually.
Okay.
Yes.
And those are chickens. You can hear them, huh?
Yes,
Yeah,
I'll put them around.
Okay.
We have a lot here.
The sweet potatoes are so many.
They are so many. They actually normally use them for breakfast. Once I come to this new county now.
Yeah.
So and guys, I told you that once we get to 10,000 subscribers, I have a surprise for you.
Wow. Can't wait for the surprise.
Yes. We have also, guys, let me tell you what, this looks like a bush, but honestly, Vivian,
it's a farm.
It's a farm, it's not a bush. So we have a lot of sweet potatoes around, others around.
There's another one here called, it's called jahe. They're called, I think, black beans. Yeah, I think there's some which are black, and I can see these are floral kind of, huh?
Yes, we call them in our local language mabosolo.
Is it mabosolo? Oh, I thought these are jahes. Bumbu. Wow, it's a different name. Okay.
Yes. So we have also we have
lemon.
Sorry guys, this is a lemon tree. It's grafted.
Okay.
You can see this is how we normally do it here. It's grafted. You can see. So let's go on the other side. Come.
Claudia.
Yes.
I hope I'll get some sweet potatoes to carry to the city.
Yes. You don't have to buy bread. Actually.
Yeah. No, actually, I'm not eating bread today.
Also, we have this. And I have to carry this also. This one is called
I know it, like for cooking tea, for boiling tea.
Yes.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
I know. Actually, this one we have to carry.
It smells so good. And also, it's kind of a medicine here.
Okay.
Yes. It's kind of a medicine. So, medicines, fruit, vegetables, all in one.
All in one.
Yes. Let's go. We have another lemon over here, a grafted one. Also, and apart from what do you call them, the sweet potatoes, we also have cassava around there.
Oh, nice.
The cassava, we have several
yeah, I can see them.
And apart from that, let me show them. Yes, apart from that, guys, these are, it's fenced. This is like a fence. We have wire here, and we have, you can see the big farm now. That's a big farm. Mangoes, huh? We have mangoes, we have bananas, we have everything. And those you can see there, they are maize. Those are maize. So guys, follow me as I take you around with Vivian behind the camera.
Behind the camera, yeah.
Yes.
Vivian today is behind the camera. So I'm so excited.
So I'm just taking I'm just giving you a tour of how everything looks like. Most of people have been asking, Claudia, when did you start farming? When did you start doing all this? Most of people are claiming that I'm young. But honestly,
yeah, but you know, young farmers are today. Yes, we need young farmers. Like, you know,
so, I inherited it from my grandparents, my parents, and everyone, even my siblings are all farmers.
Wow.
So they keep me motivated, and honestly, I'm not that young. I'm old enough.
You are old enough to be a farmer. To own a farm. Actually, you can see the beans. The beans are doing well.
Yeah, but it's round. On this side, we do not plant like a lot of beans,
okay,
because they are already in the other farm.
Oh,
look at this.
Wow, and these ones are ready actually.
Yes,
That one
almost.
is ready.
Yes, they are nice. We have some
The
bananas.
bananas.
Yes, so everything is here.
Wow.
But one of the things I love is about the pigeon peas.
Actually,
They are the
even
best.
myself,
You love them.
I love them. I love them.
So most of the time we normally use them to cook githeri,
Rice, even with chapati.
with
We can use it as
chapati.
stew.
Yeah.
Follow.
Follow.
I'm following you behind.
And also, do you think I need to get more bananas?
Yeah, you need to get some more bananas. Like,
because I can see that
you can supply them in the city. Like, you know, this is business.
Yes, and also remember that the soil here is a bit fertile.
Yeah.
Yes. The reason why I'm wearing this, guys, it's hot. It's very hot. Wow. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, look at this, guys.
These are the sweet bananas, you know?
Yes,
the small ones.
The small ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
So,
look at those pigeon peas.
a lot, yeah, a lot.
The cassava.
Yeah. Oh, look at this.
And do you think, you know, some people take the leaves
as what?
as
it's kind of vegetable.
Yeah, vegetable. Actually,
I saw someone, Nigerian chef, using like sweet potatoes as a vegetable.
Yeah, the leaves.
To cook rice with.
Yeah, the leaves, even for the cassavas, I think so.
Do you think I can try this?
You should
Actually,
try. You should try.
I'll try, guys.
But for me, I know I'll try. Actually, I'm going to carry some.
We know you are a chief chef.
I'm a chef.
You know how to make them. So
yeah.
I will have to create time to you come and
I come and teach you some recipes.
Yes.
Yeah, the bananas are so many.
Yes, they are so many. And this is kaladu. Vivian, in your village, do you normally use this to make do you use it as a vegetable?
As a vegetable, we call it terere or mchicha.
Mchicha.
Yeah.
Okay, a lot of you. Okay, in our village, we normally call it like terele, but in general, it's known as kolalu. Is it kalalu or kolalu? It depends with where you're watching this video on where you come from.
Come on, show you another vegetable. This one. This one. It's a vegetable, called, but it's sour. Like I think it's it sour? Bitter. It's bitter.
It's called udonga. In our local
mchunga.
language.
Like in Swahili, it's called mchunga.
It's a vegetable, and there is a way of preparing it, right?
Yeah, you have to boil it to remove the bitterness, to reduce the bitterness, and you have to add some spices to make it better. And it's actually it's bitter. I know it's bitter. This one I've tried it. It's and
it also treats malaria.
Ah, nice.
And also, apart from treating malaria, it's also used to like when some chickens have those kind of diseases which affect like chickens, if I may say so, you can use them. Oh, nice. You cut them into small pieces and mix them with water and give like chickens to drink the water. Wow, yes. That's new. A farmer, you the knowledge I'm getting today. Yeah. Quite helpful. Let's go back and then we go this way. Okay. The farm is a bit big. It's big actually. Yeah. I like the cassava leaves. They look edible. And even these leaves. There are people who use the banana leaves as plates. Like Ugandan. Ugandan. If you're watching this video from Uganda, please Uganda, can you tell us? And please subscribe to Claudia's. We are on to 10,000 subscribers actually. 10,000 only. Yeah. We also have these beautiful flowers over here, but we don't export them. We don't sell them. Aiwa. Wow. Oh. Money.
It's a jackpot.
What? Keep going to say it.
Yeah, even we have another one here.
So let's go and I show you the other side. Planting more. Yeah?
Kale,
We have kales here. We call them skuma wiki.
pushing a week.
Skuma wiki around. We have some seedlings over here. We want to plant more trees. And which goes up to that corner. We have some pumpkins over there. This one is too wet. I don't know whether you can see well. Yep. So this is cassava. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah.
Come and see this one. Tell me what is this?
Which one?
This one.
We call them jack something.
Black jack.
Black jack.
Yeah, it's a kind of a weed, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Which type of irrigation is this? I didn't.
Yes, button drippers. These are the button now. Button drippers. The farm is big. So if you're watching this, kindly subscribe and don't skip the ads. Vivian, tell them not to skip the ads.
You have to watch the ads
and watch the video till the end. So we are following this route. We are following this route. you can see how everything looks like. And I'm sorry guys, I did not introduce you to this farm. It's an amazing farm.
Amazing. Yeah. But oh, the maize is so green. Wow. The land looks like very, very fertile. Oh, so this is drip irrigation, then this one is a button. Okay. Yes. I get it. Follow for more.
Yeah?
I'm telling them to follow for more.
For more, and if they love farming.
Yes.
Right.
Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. This girl has to go to 10,000.
We are almost there.
Yeah, actually you're almost there.
And guys, this is my elder brother. Brother, say hi. Wow. We have onions here.
Huh?
Yes. They are not ready. They are just yeah. Oh.
Terminating.
Germinating. Oh, agriculture words. Those people who did do agriculture in school, we are in trouble.
They are in trouble. Taller than me.
Taller than you actually. Yeah.
They are doing okay actually. This one I think is almost ready.
Yeah. I think actually even this one is ready.
That one. Okay guys, let's end this video at this moment. Follow Claudia Works for more. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.